In this video, the Rebars-2 and KSP-2500 production lines are being commissioned in Thailand in 2024. This line operates with 2 rods at a time. The video shows the first output of finished products. The line is designed for manufacturing fiberglass rebar with diameters ranging from 4 to 32 millimeters. Depending on the customer's requirements, the line can be configured to operate with 1, 2, or 4 rods. Since 2012, ARPLASTIC LLC has been manufacturing equipment for the production of fiberglass rebar, mesh, and bent corner elements. We guarantee the lowest direct from manufacturer price. Minimum prices with no intermediaries.